Mami ma akwaba emfa umbra ganisem TV GH so. Wo friend me adwoa searching.
Senior high schools. Biane ankwala ndi sabre na nyew.
Enyo.
Enye. Obia obawo senior high school bia mesrew. Sa akwala no frew ka kire wo se na aduane asa emfa ne se akwala ne de aduane no bo ahohwibra. Emfa ne sa because hwe enkwala ne aduane omudi no mummisa nkwala ne se when was the last time omudi kosua e wo school mu
Ba na minim say yen hyehyeye a aba na yes so be mo mo balanced diet nutritious
Mr. Nkwala say when was the last time omudi di we nam e wo school mu
ka ba
aduane a ye de man kwala no enya sam kitwa wo hwe enema bi wo ho aho politicians no aya mo nsua bibi kakra mfiri ho hwe system bi a bibini na aye no wo benya problem wo ho system a bibini na aye e de aba bibini be na adwen say obedi di ho enti bafa yi sei nanka ya de papa semfun so aba bafa no ho ana nipa bi edi sika ye de akobafa wa branka de ese ye mo ye no ma amfa sika na anya sa nipa me obi ade no kogina ko to me support so obi adi Ghana sky so on fan to aduane man kwada su kwada endidi a mo mfa sa nipa no kokot court ka so odi fo a ye mfa no ntum me support me ni problem with that but say you see a G aduane na free bafa fo nsem e de akoma headmasters why na checking headmasters ne bezes ne say sika no aye de ma omo so omo nkodwom no omo nkodi dwa 100,000 ampa so mato 100,000 wa bra ye nyina ye wo mamu ha na start free SHS a matrons ni bi ni bezes ni bi aduane aye de abra omo no omo packing nuane no gukam mu di kofie obi a oti bi anga jem se meboa omo packing nuane no gukam
bebre
e di kofie na sa nipa no wo akoto aba no kra no wo twe akofie na wa udi sika hye ne nsam se onu ankonkoto look aduane a ye ma no di wo school secondary school mu ne de chale edin
bi o machi no mo fan chemi we so mesra wo patcho so we NDC mani obi at but mostly mo mbo ebre no adwena no nye first and foremost oma bon 2 omani brade 3 wo mo kon do moja number 4 nyansa ye de dwene no ebi ni wo mo ntem NDC ni nyansa o woni nyansa odi be kunipa nyansa odi be sayi obi nyansa odi be titi obi nyansa odi be bu obi ate nyansa odi be gi obi adwuma free no ene nyansa NDC for na say ye nya malaria problem bi en hyehyeye be ni betumi dey solve na NDC don't come with none. And that is why they have led this country for so many years. You ask them for social intervention, they start insulting you. You ask them what have they done, the first thing they come to your page to do is to insult. Not to even, and at least go read this, oh, boy, and say, data bank, and your real bank, na your security, and no credit. Now, can we read this? Is here, I am pam. The abrafele say can yampa oh obwa said the bear next time crano ube shame no hana mentumi ameka said you there be NDC in konjutwemu it going against NDC ndisadia obwa e de said the akwase bia begina ha yi asemo amaka asemo a ato force in Bank of Ghana almost select omo dia betu dwa edadwa obi anim say data bank is part of the security bankings that are actually supporting Ghana to get loans even today. Obi anim, obi or parking can be anim, cause all pictures say and this needs now say throw. Throw. I don't get it. Just say me name why they pride themselves with foolishness. Oh yeah, the be wole nakano NDC ele takashino okay yo chese ye the sebi yenim say abon yenim say ye nsia de yenim say ye Jimmy enye hwe ekra sebi ye be gidigidi ye be Jimmy na arehu sema woman say Omo Jimmy Pano. Ye mia omo. The Jimmy ye pano, ye miano. Into Beuna Udiachri after 2 years. After 2 years. So when not the other China, oh, all politicians are the same. Oh, all there be all politicians are not the same. You just choose not to let your mind work. And that is where it has landed you where you are. NDC for diatro, ediatro. Yeba mamu Women's Bank. Yeba mamu say. Yeba yanko konketenkete. Obi ebenye biya yen. Ene yese koto poetry akoko 70 Ghana, 75 Ghana. Na fana start a poetry nkoko. And some Ghanaians think this is politics. Mojene said the air course on your politics. Uyamun show say and then ya done the whole media no a charge and pay media. Ne the say, Mr. Just said the me say, I send to me see. Now your free media guys at Charlie Joanna can be mammy. Media guiding himself, you all can hear true. Now so what this guy into so be chatro. I Ekufuado mano, one more Fagana plane no, and nobody acquire shopping, and nobody acquire shopping, and a Ghana plane, and nobody acquire shopping. Monfa evidence the brain ye nibi. Found evidence, bra, ye nibi. Then then now kind at that moment, no, now ye the GBB. Moment na NDC for no mo can say Ekufuado banu oma fa Ghana plane e de ko chinchin de ye shopping no na omo de boss sebi ye tu papa BS wo say sa papa ni bibi obeye bia ye nka se enye Ekufuado o twenty kura mo nka se enye na dia o se Ekufuado twenty man wa ka che ne se enye no ombubu ne bo rekra ma o. That is where their demonic things comes inside. That is why I call them demons. Onye bi ma, onu ye bi ma, onu ankasa no ntumi ye bi ma o. But also do obi aye bi do obi aye ma on nye. From Bako school, went me and from Banko school. Obi de me Bako school, was enye school no de me ba ne konenye, me ba ne benyem, me ba ne be kwasi ampeni, red gold green, me ba ne mobra, me bra ne ntuande. But on one case to me and say, says the young politicians, they road rossi, see a de Ghana da chimbunumua. The benyo obi to say Thomas Amweni, the benyo obi to say Francis Calamini, and Rana share brilliant science and math quiz, national science and math quiz as they call. Yeah, I'm friend brilliant science and math quiz. That's our time. Name says the same, national science and math quiz. And you know what is funny? The real core awards were not won by even the winning team. My school, Fansipem. Yeah, I mean, MOBA. We won yesterday, and Fansipem, they winning Enra. Okay? But we didn't even do that. Nana Ponsa, winning schools are this year. Omobeji Dimpa. Mankransu Senior High School. Nanado, memma obu mfuga na wate. I saw more obu for tsunami. I said, many years in a queen and cause ye papa. And some can see you about many Ghana now, and many years in a queen. Cause ye papa. Ye wicked, ye dangerous, but no, at the Ghana near come home. Ye dangerous people to live with as human beings. First, no man cranso, or be upon to man cranso secondary school. But they quiet then. Now, so when no free education in Tio, more must another one may she know. Ye apologize the wonder. Yes, I tropo boys now. Ye took quiet more than Jimmy. Jimmy and school damn dear, and Kwani a day to honor. Jimmy. We are not looking at the impact of Nanado. We are not looking at Niama all yet. Nene, Kese Senior High School, Aba National Science and Math Quiz, Aba Bomoding. Another school be so grade C school. School na first no, yen choose no, and then the woman Aba National Science and Math Quiz oh, omu winning award, Osana Nadu nya trinyamin tia uka baby utibiara. We are wo for wa wo miensa wen tunu anfom anko school na nado ba e wo ba ko school se na nado nya twe nyankopon tua wo ka se dia sabe adwuma wo ye e ma no lose ye ne tie me kura de ebire bi kura na me bom pa ye sanka nkola ne kura sua dia nkomo mu hu, but that is selfish of me. E bi akola ne ye hwe ne papa na wagimi ni ko me nya papa wagimi a obi a waboa me na me de me ba ko school me boss ani pa ko no bone me boni din bone. Senya be ye ne se proye egu ye num bia num nti abo afra ya adwene ho a obi de wo be ko school aba okro no wo ya awofo dwedwantwie na ani bre ne otan hunu na ese wo nti no, you are not seeing the impact of it because we NDC na the free education ya na nka kwase iwa bisa se sika na ye de ye free education no maban wo ho no na wo he. Free education na yesi yanya so nkola na ko school at level 400 no says can no mede twom no na wo he wo ye critical thinkers na abedwene eba ne sign na do tumi tua teacher for kana John Muhammad o say this is 2026 aden scan what they koye dan. The Ghanaians don't care. Mempe MPP asem inti do mo kana ye no kure pa but ye mfa nya adwuma e de nya hwe o de me common de ye ne nku me de me we NDC. That's what we are doing, and that is why the NDC feels proper to continue lying. Last my example be the reason why the NDC couldn't campaign with the economy in 2016 because the economy was down. It was fucked up. The reason why they couldn't talk about the economy when we were going in for the 2020, like, did you ever hear them talk about the economy in 2020? 2020 election, chairman NDC for campaign back and I say, chairman message back na towards the economy. They couldn't. Because none another neighbor umia they started talking economy when the inflation was going up. And I'm really. And it was always about inflation. They were not even talking about it. Sometimes dollar number, you want to make $100 more. Sometimes there's no money to make $100. Until the almost kind of inflation. They say inflation, they say inflation, they say inflation. That was all their campaign was.